Do you struggle with flat feet and find it hard to keep up with your daily activities? There's a simple reason why traditional solutions might not be working for you. Say goodbye to flat feet for good with these simple home exercises. You won't believe the results. Do you experience pain and discomfort on a daily basis? Well, you're unlucky because today we're going to show you how to fix flat feet in just 3 simple steps. Step 1. Stretching. Start by stretching your calf muscles and Achilles tendon. This will help improve the flexibility in your feet and ankles, which can reduce some of the stress caused by flat feet. Step 2. Strengthening. Next, focus on strengthening the muscles of your feet and ankles. Exercises like toe curls, heel raises, and ankle circles can help build the arch in your feet and provide more support. Step 3. Proper shoes. Finally, make sure you are wearing supportive shoes that provide arch support to help distribute your weight evenly across your legs. Look for shoes with strong soles and good cushioning. Stretching, strengthening, and wearing proper by following these 3 simple steps, you may start to see improvements in your flat feet. Say goodbye to pain and discomfort, and hello to healthy, happy feet. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tricks. Good luck on your journey to healing your flat feet.